Hey guys, this is EYL Anti-Alarms, and this is going to be System Test 37, or Fire Alarm System Test 37. So let's get started. I got some new devices. Well, not new, they're actually used, but some devices I never had that I don't even have. That I don't have, now I do have. You're gonna see that, but yeah, anyway, so we got the panel, like usual. Kind of see that. There's nothing much change on it anyway, just thing on it. The LCD is starting to go bad. You can quite see right there. I'm not sure you can see that, but there's a little burn spot right there in the middle. This panel, this homemade panel, it'll be retiring soon. This homemade panel will be retiring due to that LCD going bad, and you know it's not worth my time to replace the LCD on it. So yeah, I want to go ahead and retire this thing pretty soon. It's been out for like a couple, probably like, I don't know how many years. I think it was like 4 years, and I improved the design on it. So it's pretty much gonna be going. It's gonna pretty much gonna be gone at this point. But yeah, with a new panel. We saw the Simplex 2098 9201 smoke detector with 9211 base. We have a Simplex 2903 X9002 light plate. It's a surface mount one, not the one you put it behind, or a flush mount one. This is a surface mount one with the 9833 horn. It's going to be coated on March time in the panel. Here we have the NBG12L. This is a notifier NBG12L. It's key. It's a key lock, so yeah. A Genetec strobe, I forgot the model number of it. We saw the other Simplex 2098 9636 smoke. So the Wheelock RSS remote strobe. The Siemens DT11, which I'll not be testing today. And we have the Notifier BNG1, no. LNG1, sorry. An LNG1 pull. And you notice anything here? Well, where's the bin? That's right. There's no wood plank anymore. You see, look, it's all gone. The wood plank is gone. That's all on the wall now. Just mounted with command strips anyway, because that's how it is. Went up to there. 2 T's. It goes up to a couple of T's up there. On this side we have the Faraday 6220, I think it's 6227W horn strobe, which is also coding to March time on the panel. And that beside it will be like a strobe, like a remote strobe. This was a horn light. Up to the conduit, we have the system sensor i3. It's a 4WB. We have the BNG1TS behind it, the stopper, mini stopper. You see right here. Annunciator. See, it's all moved right here. You can kind of see how this actually goes. There is no more wood plank anymore. That's it. It's gone. The wood plank's gone. So yeah. So I think I'm going to attach the ONG1 pull. My neighbor's cutting the grass outside. Actually, no, he has a budget. And since my neighbor's cutting the grass outside, because I hear him, I'm actually hearing him cutting the grass. I don't know. But anyway, here is the ONG1. Oh. Silence that. As you can see now, I have a zone 3 alarm with alarm silence. You can see that I have a zone 3 alarm there. So let's just say on the panel we're on 4-wire audible silence. And yeah, actually the neighbor's still cutting grass, it didn't mind. But there's the strobe, remote strobe. Yeah. Actually, we'll just re-alarm it there. We'll activate another zone. Just for the heck of it, actually. I'll activate the MBG12L. So, store here. Alright. So, here we go. Wow. Got 2 alarms, you can see that. That thing is vibrating the wall. I noticed when I feel it right here, that 6227 is actually vibrating the wall. Well, there it is, there's a strobe on it. It's flashing away. That pull is reset. Let's see what the other one. That pull is reset. Okay, so I did reset them. So, we'll reset from the panel. You kind of see the burn spot on the LCD display on the middle. It's actually getting worse. But I'm not even sure that's actually normal or not, but yeah. So we're going to activate the smoke detector now. So there we go. So it's that. There it is. It is the strobe. And there's the remote strobe. You see I was on 1 now on the annunciator. And there's the 6227W. We'll do that next. Let's reset from the annunciator. We'll do another zone. We'll just do it. So, okay. All right. Let me see if I have a something here to actually. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so now we're going to do the. We're going to change the coding to code 3. Actually, no, let's do March. Let's do slow March. That'd be That'd be actually pretty good. All right, so do slow march. 2000 watt style march time. And you know what? I'm going to use test smoke instead. I think we should do that. This stuff's getting really expensive now. Anyway, so here we go. There it goes. The sound is that. And we're going to go ahead and actually blow that out. So, blow this. Okay. So from the nut stator. Okay. All right. All right. After we're gonna do the other one, the other smoke, and then we'll do the the pull. Here's 9636. And alarm it. All right. There's the keys. We've got 2 alarms now. See that, 2 alarms. And that should be on the same as the annunciator is 1. And that should be on the same as the annunciator 2 and 3. Yeah, just 2 alarms. So we're going to reset this. Or as it can be with using this stopper, or mini stopper, we're going to call it. I think, yeah, mini stopper. Reset. Or reset. I think we're going to do a walk test. So we're going to do that just to, show you that it does work. So I'm going to set that, put on continuous walk test. There we go. Now I have a walk test, and you can see now the scary panel has a trouble. So I'll show you that. Fire panel. So, yeah, there's that. The reason why there isn't the when the security system goes out to a fire, because I don't want that going off while the fire alarm system is going off. I need to put in some type of like a communication disconnect switch or something on that. But anyway, this is a walk test. This is zone 2, so it's going to do 2 pulses. Yeah. And then we'll do, actually do the i3 again. Now it's gonna be that's gonna be 4 pulses instead. That's gonna be 4 pulses instead. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna leave that right there. And we'll reset it. And that's it for now. So reset, take out walk test, reset. And that's it, guys. That is actually, that's it, guys. That is system test 37, or for all instance test 37. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. The panel, and there's those things. So the updates on the panel, on the homemade panel, it's gonna be retired. The thing has an LCD issue on it, and has an LCD burn coming into the middle. Actually showing in the middle a little bit on the LCD part. I don't know if that's even normal or not, but you kind of see it there. I don't know what the LCD's actually. There, now you can kind of see it there. You can clearly see there's a burn spot there coming in, so it's not worth my time to actually replace it. And, so this panel will be retiring soon. It will be retiring soon with a I'm not going to tell you what panel I'm going to be. Well, I'm not going to tell you what panel I'm going to be getting because I don't want to spoil it. So I'm going to leave that at that. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. If you want, join my Discord server, which is fully open. And if you want to be in one of the system test videos. So yeah, thank you for watching.